plenty. Doctors barely 20, they're a minimum over 90. Got a very acoustic girl, give me a rambling rover. Marketing down to Dover, and we'll roam the country over. And together we'll face the world, and there's sober men aplenty. Doctors barely 20.
Times, and there's lots of footage if you check it out on YouTube of them swallowing rabbits, grouse, whole. Just throw them in their mouth, flicking them back. Now we're gonna be really close up here, guys. All right, because we want to make sure that everybody gets a great look at these whales. We're gonna pull into a spot now that we call a bus stop. Okay, so this is the closest we're gonna get to the island, just a couple of meters. And luckily for us, high elevation of the boat, low hanging slopes. We're gonna be about eye level with the birds. All right, so if you want if you want to actually evolved to adapt to life on these rock faces, these birds, believe it or not, the females lay triangular prism-shaped eggs. Now I know what you're thinking, ladies. Ouch. All right, but that's just the way it works, okay? And then after an incubation period of about 21 to 24 days, that young bird is hatched. And then after another 4 weeks, very, very tiny little bird. I know I did this, much smaller than that.
Luke,
What?
lunch is served off the bow.
Oh yeah, someone got served, eh? So
No,
yes.
no, lunch is served.
Now those mess of birds that you're seeing on the rock face, those are not puffins. Those are called the common bird, a very close relative, M-U-R-R-E. If you're from the UK, you may know them as a northern guillemot. And then universally they're known as a common bird. And if you're from Newfoundland, you probably call them G, which means good and gravy. Yes, Newfoundlanders are actually allowed to hunt these birds, a variant species, population that comes from Labrador, called the thick-billed bird. Back when Canada joined Newfoundland in 49, oh, that.
Luke,
What?
lunch is served off the bow.
Oh yeah, someone got served, eh? So
No, lunch is served in the rocks.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, if you look straight in from us, guys, you're gonna see that big white seagull with the black wings. That's called the greater blackback. Alright, and yes, it's a seagull, but it's a predatory seagull. So this big bird straight to beam of us right now, having lunch on a common murre. Now those birds, believe it or not, he's actually kind of being kind, because that bird has the ability to swallow any of these birds whole. Alright, they have a massive gullet, and they've actually been seen lots of times, and there's lots of footage if you check it out on YouTube.
Unless he comes back aboard the gaffer 6 with Gatorons. Just kidding, not really. Make sure you're holding on, folks. But again, this is, you guys picked an absolutely fantastic day to whale watch. It is certainly not always this good, okay? A lot of times, it requires a lot of patience and waiting. And I mean a lot of patience. But there is a group of people on the face of this planet that have the most patience in the entire world. They make the best whale watchers. Those are the fans of the Toronto Maple Leafs. We got one aboard! Look at this! Perfect! He got the most patience he always believed. That was going to be next year. Except for Al's two biceps. Look at this beautiful! My goodness, folks!
I'm not looking. That's it.
I'm gonna get my camera out now. No, I didn't take it out 5 minutes ago. You know if the whale watch is going tour guys. My goodness, there's Mom. She's gonna show you her tail. So look at this! Woohoo! Aren't you glad that you came? You might get another one, folks. You never know. These calves have a lot of energy. You see a quick arch or back. Sometimes that signifies a reach. You never know. You never know. They might come up again. I told you! I'm like the Caesar Milan of waves.
Come on up.
Mom said, move out the way, baby. I'm going to show what's really up. Now, folks, take this into consideration. That's a 100,000-pound mammal that just jumped out the water with 2 flicks of its tail. Isn't that quite amazing? See, the humpback whale's tail is the strongest muscle on the face of this planet, except for Alistair biceps. Look at this beautiful, my goodness, folks!
I'm not looking. That was it.
I'm gonna give my camera now. No, I didn't take it out 5 minutes ago. You know, if the whale watchers go on tour, guys, get your cameras out.
Okay? You gotta forgive me. I think it's only up this. Alright? No, yeah, I was salty. Came late in the line. Alright? So lastly, certainly not least, everybody's standard card. Jumping on Newfoundland. So, what we got here is one shot, a traditional Newfoundland rum, cod scooch, made in Jamaica now. Alright? Pretty much what happened is back in the day, we took the West Indies to trade our fish for the goods. By the time we got to Jamaica, we were shopping low on stock. Don't worry, because we're good foolish people, we're fibbers. We told the boys, no rush.